Right, so about Mr. Chandler in 3B, the nurse flagged some concerns overnight about his pain.
Yes, Mihira, I saw that. He's been on paracetamol and codeine since the knee procedure, but he said it's not touching the pain anymore.
It's important not to confuse that with the patient in 3A. Remember, she's post-hip repair, also on codeine, but her issue is more about nausea.
Right, yes, different concerns. With Chandler, he did say the discomfort radiates down his calf now. I was wondering if we need to check for DVT, or whether it's just post-op inflammation.
That crossed my mind too, but he's afebrile, and the leg isn't swollen. I suspect it's muscular tension from overuse. He was quite mobile yesterday.
So should we adjust the analgesia or keep monitoring?
Increase the codeine dose slightly for now. Let's not jump to opioids unless absolutely necessary. We'll review after physio tomorrow.
Understood, Mihira. And we'll hold off on extra imaging unless new symptoms emerge.
Exactly. Keep the line open with physio as well.
Mihira, let me walk you through the process step by step so you feel fully prepared and know exactly what will happen. Before we start, I'll gently clean a small area on your arm with an antiseptic wipe to make sure the skin is completely clean. After that, I'll place a soft elastic band, known as a tourniquet, around the upper part of your arm. This simply helps the vein become more visible and easier to access, and you may notice a brief feeling of tightness. When everything is ready, I will insert a small needle into the vein. Most people describe the sensation as a quick, sharp scratch that lasts only a moment. Once the needle is in place, I'll collect a small amount of blood into a tube, and this part usually takes less than a minute. As soon as we have the sample we need, I will remove the needle, apply gentle pressure with cotton to stop any slight bleeding, and then place a small plaster over the area to protect it. Throughout the procedure, I'll let you know what I'm doing so there are no surprises. Mihira, do you have any concerns or questions?